It's time to craft. Let's go. Well, hello, my joyful subbies. Welcome back to the channel. So today I am participating in my monthly Trash to Treasure collaboration with my girl Philicia over at BOK Media Life. If you have yet to check out her channel, please head over there now and hit the subscribe button. Let's get into DIY number 1. In this first DIY, this is a smart water bottle, and I've already, prepped all 3 of these projects with the white Waverly brand chalk paint. And now I am taking this smart water bottle and I am adding some Mod Podge to it just to keep it from scratching. And now I am distressing it with some of this gray chalk paint. It is a Waverly brand chalk paint. And this is sort of a dupe of one of Felicia's projects that she had done probably about two or 3 months ago, wherein she took some clothes, but actually she used tumbling tower blocks on hers, and I decided to use these I want to say sort of like popsicle sticks that you can find at Walmart, and I am just creating my own little design where one is at the bottom, then one is at the top, and almost like a zigzag type pattern, but not zigzag. You'll see, just keep watching. So guys, I want to welcome everyone back to the channel. I pray that you all had a blessed week, and I hope that you have a great weekend. I will be spending my time getting my crafting room together, and I'm excited about that. I am going to show you all how it turned out once it's complete. But as you can see, I'm just going up and just doing my own little pattern to it, and you can do the same thing. You just come up with a pattern that you like, and you'll see how this comes together. Again, this is a collaboration with my girl Philicia over at BOK Media Life, and today we are taking bottles and we are doing a remake of those bottles. So in this first DIY, this is sort of a dupe of something I saw Philicia do over on her channel. So if you want to see her project, you're going to have to head over to her channel and take a look-see. Now we're headed into DIY number 2. Now this was one of those Sunny Delight lemonade bottles. And what I have is this Dollar Tree sticker, or those signs that you can get at the Dollar Tree. And it's just one of the floral patterns, and I thought this was really cute, and this is really what I based my color scheme off of for these DIYs. And I basically took each side, well, the front side and the back side of the bottle, and I added the design to it, and then now I am just distressing it. And again, I did prep these with paint prior to starting the projects, and as you can see, I've used Mod Podge just to seal the stickers onto the bottle really well. I did have to end up adding a little bit of hot glue to the portion right where the below the neck of the bottle. And sometimes these stickers, if you manipulate them too much, which I did when I had to realign it, it remove the sticky film off of it. But nevertheless, this turned out really cute. I cannot wait for you guys to see it. And of course, I had to incorporate my jute rope in these projects. I know this week I did not use much jute, so I had to make up for it. You guys know how it is. So while you watch me wrap this jute rope around the neck of this bottle, I want to encourage you, if you have yet to do so, to click on that subscribe button and don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload anything to the channel. And also, this is a reminder that this video is a part of my monthly Trash to Treasure collaboration with my girl, my crafting bestie, Philicia at BOK Media Life. And I'm sorry that some of this is, you know, out of focus, but I didn't have my camera position right. That's okay. You get the gist. I'm just wrapping the jute to the top, and then I will be taking and burning the frays off of this jute rope. If you know me and are a regular on my channel, one thing you know about Joy is that she does not like the frays that be on jute rope. Now I love jute, working with jute, but I do not like the frays that be on it. I like that clean look of the rope, and burning it gives you that. So guys, do you have any big plans for the weekend? Are you prepping for Easter? What are you doing? I'm kind of going to be on chill mode. I've got to get my crafting studio together. We've been working on this project and we had to go at a slower pace because of the fact we both work, Uncle T and I, we both work full-time jobs, and it's just a lot. You know, I can put in anywhere to 12 to 14-hour days, and he the same. So we work long hours and we try to get it in when we can with the videos, as well as with any extra things that we're doing around our home. So it's going to pay off. But in the meanwhile, let me take your attention back to this. As you can see, I'm using some of those yellow florals from the Dollar Tree, and these had like the little white designs in it. So let's talk about my girl Philicia. Philicia has 2 channels here on YouTube, BOK Media Life, which is her crafting channel, as well as BOK Media Food Freaks, which is her food channel. She makes beautiful lamps and other high-end decor. Don't believe me? Check out BOK Media Life. She has interactive lives. We be getting lit over there. She has great food, and she samples just about everything. She's an amazingly supportive person. I simply adore her. Check out Philicia and tell her Joy said hello. Now let's go into DIY number 3, which is the final project. Again, these were painted, pre-painted, and this is a ragu spaghetti sauce bottle. And so I'm basically dry brushing some of that same gray paint all over this bottle. And I really can't wait for you guys to see how this turned out. Actually, when you see all 3 of them styled together, I think it really, really looks beautiful. And I don't think you would know that these were actually bottles from the trash. And now I'm just adding the top portion in the color, or painting the top portion of the bottle in this gray color. And then I will be taking and adding, you know what, jute to it. So as you watch me paint this, I want to bring your attention back to the fact that this is a part of my monthly Trash to Treasure collaboration. And also, guys, please, 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 if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you click on that subscribe button. Don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload anything to the channel. And I really, 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 really want to thank everyone who has shown their support to my channel thus far. You are so appreciated. And now, as you can see, I am just drying the paint with my handy dandy heating tool that you can purchase from Amazon. And of course, I have my jute rope, and I am just going to wrap it around the neck of the bottle. Again, guys, make sure you head over to Felicia's channel, Be Okay Media Life, after you have finished watching this channel or video, and then make sure you also check out her Be Okay Media Food Freaks and subscribe to her channel. Let's help her get to 150 subscribers by the end of the weekend. And now I am getting ready to, I was going to create a tassel, but then I decided against it and to put around the neck, and I think I ended up going with just a bow, and you'll see it in the reveal. Again, guys, if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you click on that subscribe button. Don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload anything to the channel. And as you can see, I'm messing around because I was intending on putting a tassel there, but it just didn't work out. And so I said, well, you know what? I don't want to keep fooling around with this. I'm just going to go ahead and create my bow. You know, there's nothing like a good old bow. And I didn't have a problem with creating one. And now I'm burning the frays off the bow. And all my flowers today are yellow. So I used the yellow springy color flowers for this. And of course, because this paint can get very dry because it's a chalk paint, I decided to go ahead and add the Mod Podge on top of it. Also to prevent it from, you know, scraping and, you know, the paint chipping and all that good stuff. And there's me putting on that bow. Again, you know, Joy likes jute and Joy likes bows. Jute bows, to be exact. And now we're headed into the reveal, guys. You gotta let me know what you think. And also, as we get to the end of the video, just make sure you comment the word bottles. That way I'll know who watched the video all the way to the end. Again, the code word is bottles. Now look how this turned out. I think this turned out really cute with that that sign that you can get at the Dollar Tree. I think that turned out really cute. And you see those flowers with the little patterns on there? That's really cute. I think everything just turned out super cute. And then here's the ragu spaghetti sauce bottle. And again, I used some more of those florals from the Dollar Tree. As a matter of fact, all my florals came from the Dollar Tree. And here is everything styled together. And as you can see, as it zooms in, this is a semi-dupe of Felicia's project, along with the wallpaper or sticker or whatever you call it. I think it turned out really cute. I don't know what the, and then that's it, guys. Remember, this is a part of the monthly Trash to Treasure collaboration with Philicia over at BOK Media Life. And until the next DIY, bye for now.